Hello everyone, welcome back to Power BI 0 to Hero playlist. My name is Sandeep Raturi. In my previous video, I explained about three main filters: visual level filter, page level filter, and report level filter. In today's video, I will explain all about drill through filter. So what is drill through? Drill through help us see detailed information for any selected summary data. What does that mean? If you see here, this is country wise sales and profit summary data, and if you want to see detailed level information of any country's sales and profit, just hover over in any country, and here you can see country name is Canada, and here you can see the sales of Canada. And also you can see the drill through filter as enabled for Canada country, and once you click on drill through page, so here drill through page name is view. So once you click on view, it will navigate to you another Power BI report page, and here you can see the detailed level information of country Canada, sales and profit with other columns. So now click on back button, so it will navigate to you source page. Now I want to see the detailed level information of France country sales and profit. So just hover over France country and click on drill through page, and now you can see here it will show you the detailed level information of France country sales breakup along with other columns. So this is the use of drill through. Now we will implement drill through from scratch. Add one new page for drill through filter. Click on plus icon, double click on the page name and provide the page name detailed view, and now we will add the report heading. So go to the insert tab, click on text box, and by press and hold the corner of text box, you can manage the height and width for the text box like this. And after that, provide the report heading name. So it should be detailed view. Select the report heading text, go to the font size and select the 20 pixel, and after that decrease the width and height for the text box like this. Go to the visualization pane and add one table visual, and in this table visual you can add the important columns which you want to show as a detailed information for any summary data. So here first we will add the country, after that you can add the product, we have segment, then you can add the sales, after sales you can add the profit, then sales price, units sold, you can add the year column, and after that you can add the date column. Right click on the date column, select the date, and then we have discounts. Now we are good with columns. Press and hold the corner of table visual and manage the height and width for table visual like this. And after that we will add the columns for drill through filter, means based on which columns do you want to enable the drill through filter for summary data. If you will scroll down, so here you can see the drill through filter section. So let's suppose I want to enable the drill through filter for country and year column. So here you can add both columns. So first we will add the country column here like this, and make sure used as category, select here, collapse the values for country column, add the year column here and select used as category from drop down. And if you notice here, by default one back button is enabled in the report page. So whenever you add any columns into drill through section, so by default this back button is enabled. So you can press and hold the back button and you can place here. This back button will help us to navigate to the source page. And now go to the page 1. So now we will check the drill through filter. So in first visual we are showing country wise sales and profit data. So when you hover over in any country, so here you can see drill through filter as enabled, and this is the sales for Canada country. And if you want to see the detailed level information of Canada country sales, so hover over the country, it will show you the drill through filter, and once you click on drill through filter page name, so it will navigate to you drill through report page. and here you can see the Canada country sales breakup along with another columns which you have added. And now click on back button, so it will navigate to your source page, and here source page was page 1 because from this page you navigated to the drill through page. And now we will check the drill through functionality for year column. So in second visual we are showing year wise sales. So just hover over in any summary data. So here you can see this is a summary data for year 2014 sales, and let's suppose you want to see the breakup of this sales. So just hover over the year, it will show you the drill through filter. Select the drill through filter page and it will navigate to you drill through page, and here you can see the year 2014 sales breakup. Now click on back button, and when you hover over in last visual, so it will not show you the drill through filter. Reason behind, in this visual we are showing the information of segment wise sales and profit, and for segment column we did not enable the drill through filter. So let's suppose you want to enable the drill through filter for segment column. So go to the drill through page, and in drill through section just add the segment column like this, and make sure used as category as select. So now go to the page 1, just hover over in any segment, and here you can see the drill through filter as enabled, and now it will show you the detail level information for government sales. So just click on drill through page, and here you can see the detail level information of government sales breakup along with other columns which you have added. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.